Introducing ESL Vision's newest addition to our downlight family, the Occupancy Disk. The Occupancy Disk, or ODSK, is the next evolution of our disk series. The ODSK's built-in occupancy sensor makes it an ideal solution for closets, laundry rooms, garages, and any other area where automatic on-off lighting is required, all while maintaining a slim, sleek profile. The ODSK can be mounted on walls or ceilings, making installation easy. The ODSK is available in 4 and 6-inch sizes and provides up to 950 lumens. Visit us at eslvision.com or contact your ESL sales representative to learn more.